If someone asked what is driving America's next economic transformation, most people would probably mention artificial intelligence, electric vehicles, or semiconductor manufacturing. Very few would answer with one simple phrase: data centers. Yet across the United States, enormous buildings filled with servers are quietly becoming some of the country's most valuable infrastructure. New facilities are appearing in states like Texas, Virginia, Arizona, Ohio, and Georgia, attracting billions of dollars in investment. At first glance, they look like ordinary industrial buildings, but behind those walls is the hidden reason data centers are changing America, and it's about far more than storing information. For years, data centers operated mostly in the background of the digital economy. They powered websites, stored photos, streamed movies, and supported cloud computing. Most people rarely thought about them because they worked silently behind the scenes. Artificial intelligence has completely changed that. Today's AI systems require an extraordinary amount of computing power. Every time someone asks an AI assistant a question, generates an image, or summarizes a document, powerful computers inside data centers perform billions of calculations in just seconds. As millions of people begin using AI every day, demand for these facilities has exploded. That has triggered one of the largest infrastructure booms the technology industry has ever seen. The biggest technology companies are now investing tens of billions of dollars into building new data centers across the country. Companies like Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and Meta are expanding rapidly because AI requires far more computing capacity than traditional internet services. These aren't small upgrades. Many of today's AI data centers contain hundreds of thousands of advanced processors connected through incredibly fast networking systems. Building facilities of this scale requires enormous investments in construction, engineering, electrical systems, cooling equipment, and networking infrastructure. But the hidden reason they're changing America isn't simply because they're expensive. It's because they influence entire local economies. When a major data center project is announced, it often brings years of construction work, creating demand for electricians, engineers, equipment suppliers, contractors, and transportation companies. Local businesses benefit from increased economic activity, while communities often see improvements to roads, utilities, and communications infrastructure built to support these projects. The effects extend well beyond the technology sector. One of the biggest changes involves electricity. Modern AI data centers consume enormous amounts of power, far more than earlier generations of computing facilities. That growing demand is pushing utility companies to expand power generation, upgrade transmission lines, and modernize electrical infrastructure. In many parts of the country, access to reliable electricity has become one of the most important factors when deciding where new technology investments will go. In other words, data centers are influencing how America builds its future energy system. Water is another important part of the conversation. Many facilities use sophisticated cooling systems to keep thousands of processors operating efficiently. As data centers become larger, companies are investing in new cooling technologies designed to improve efficiency while reducing environmental impact. This has encouraged innovation in areas that most people rarely associate with technology. Location has become increasingly strategic as well. In the past, technology companies often chose locations primarily based on access to skilled workers. Today, they also evaluate available land, electrical capacity, fiber optic connectivity, climate, and long-term infrastructure planning. As a result, states that weren't traditionally viewed as technology hubs are attracting significant investment. This is spreading technology-related economic growth into new regions of the country. Another hidden impact is the demand for advanced manufacturing. Every new data center requires servers, networking equipment, power systems, cooling hardware, backup generators, and countless specialized components. That demand supports manufacturers across multiple industries. From electrical equipment to construction materials, supply chains are expanding alongside AI infrastructure. Semiconductor companies are benefiting as well. The advanced processors powering artificial intelligence represent some of the most sophisticated chips ever produced. As data center construction accelerates, demand for these processors continues growing, fueling investment throughout the semiconductor industry. This creates opportunities not only for chip designers but also for equipment manufacturers, packaging companies, and suppliers throughout the production process. Businesses outside the technology sector are feeling the effects too. Healthcare organizations, financial institutions, manufacturers, retailers, and logistics companies increasingly rely on cloud computing and AI services hosted inside these facilities. As more organizations adopt AI, demand for reliable computing infrastructure continues rising. That creates a cycle where growing AI adoption drives more data center construction, which in turn supports even greater technological innovation. Competition between states has also intensified. Many local governments are working to attract data center investments by improving infrastructure, expanding energy capacity, and creating business-friendly environments. Landing a major technology project can generate long-term tax revenue while strengthening local economies. At the same time, communities must carefully balance economic development with infrastructure demands such as electricity, water usage, and land availability. This balance will become increasingly important as more facilities are built. Of course, challenges remain. Building large data centers requires substantial upfront investment, lengthy permitting processes, and close coordination with utility providers. Energy demand continues rising, and ensuring enough reliable electricity without placing unnecessary strain on local grids has become one of the industry's biggest priorities. Technology companies are responding by investing in renewable energy projects, battery storage, and in some cases supporting next-generation nuclear technologies to help secure long-term energy supplies. Perhaps the most surprising aspect of this transformation is how invisible it remains to most people. Unlike smartphones or electric vehicles, data centers aren't products consumers purchase directly. Most people never see them. Yet they quietly power online shopping, streaming services, financial transactions, business software, cloud storage, and now the rapidly expanding world of artificial intelligence. They've become one of the most important pieces of infrastructure in the modern economy. The hidden reason data centers are changing America isn't simply because they're storing more information than ever before. It's because they've evolved into the physical foundation of the AI economy. They influence where companies invest, where jobs are created, how electricity is generated, how infrastructure is built, and how businesses across nearly every industry operate. As artificial intelligence continues becoming part of everyday life, demand for computing power is expected to keep growing. That means data centers will likely become even more important over the coming years. They may not receive the same attention as the latest smartphone or AI chatbot, but behind every breakthrough in modern technology is a network of facilities making those innovations possible. And as America enters the next phase of the digital economy, these once overlooked buildings are quietly becoming one of the country's most valuable strategic assets.